Hello everyone. I was looking for the one of the best teas available in India. So I found some of the teas and refreshments from VAHDAM teas. I liked some of the variants, so I placed order for different multiple variants. And main is I placed the order for sample variants so that I can check it and then place the order as per my liking. So these are the two sample variant which I had placed, and there is a Kadha variant which I placed for 3 packs, and these are the iced teas, and this is instant Premix-TEA, and this is Latte mix. So let's check it one by one. I tried this tea and I liked it. How you get the pouches. This is lemon basil, so I have not tried it yet. These all are well packed. This is instant premix. These both are. Best before 12 months from packing. Contains real fruits, no preservatives. So just add the water and you can take it. 1 sachet in 200 ml of water. This is instant tea. Just add 1 sachet in 200 ml of water, hot water. This is 9 months from packing, the expiry date. These are the 15 varieties. So I placed the sample so that I can try each one and then I can decide which I have to buy. These are the 15 varieties. These are all included in it. This is English breakfast black tea. This is oolong tea. So these are the all 15 variants. So these both are the sample varieties, and this is turmeric or ashwagandha latte mix. Let's see it. This is packing how it would be getting. Box is metal box. This is Vedic Kadha. This is the ingredients. 15 bags included. We can also take it with hot water as well as with the cold water. So these are the details how we can use it. This validity is for 24 months. So let's check it, one of the variants. I have tried few variants and I like how these are packed and the content what it has been included. See the pouch. Check the ingredients how these have been included very nicely, and is showing the purity of the tea. Let's try it. Need to put 200 ml water with 1 tea bag. I have put the hot water, approx 200 ml. See the ingredients. You have to keep it for 3 to 5 minutes. This is organic certified. Thank you for watching the video.